In this video, we are going to see a time-saving techniques that can make the individual formatting of words very easy. Now, for example, I want all the words that contain America to be formatted in a certain color. So earlier what we have seen that a time-saving technique could be that you just format one word and then just use the format painter to paint it over and over again. You don't need to format each individual word every single time. But let me show you one other technique that can help you a lot with the formatting. I can just find and replace the formats as well. Just press Ctrl H for replace, and I want to find here America. Notice here I want only the capital word and the exact same word to be replaced with a certain formatting. I don't want to replace it with any particular word, but want to replace the formatting just. So I'll click on more here and I will click here first of all match case. In that way it will not replace anything that says Americans or anything which have lowercase. It will not replace that. So I'll click on match case and then I will click on formatting and I can choose the font here. So let's click on font. I want all of the words that contain America replaced to the size of 12. It should be bold. It should be of a certain writing style. Let's say like this. Here you can see all the previews and it should be in a certain color as well. So I'll change the font color here. I'll change it to, let's say, red. And here is our word formatted in this style. So let's click OK. And now let's click on replace all. So you will see that 19 replacements are successfully made only for the word America here. So this can really help you to format in a quicker way. What you can also do is, let's say I want to replace this color and this formatting style with some other format. And let's just say this is not just formatted for this particular word, but for any word. Wherever this font exists, I want to replace it with something else. So I'll go to the replace again. And now I will not find anything here. I will just specify that I want this font to be replaced. So I must know exactly how this font was created. Only then I will be able to replace that. So as we can see here, this is find font area. So I have find my font and I want to replace this font with, just make sure that the cursor is here. And whenever you go to the font area, it will say replace font. So I'll make it black and let's say I want 16 size and let's say Times New Roman is the format that I want here. So let's click here and as you can see, I have mentioned no word in the find what and no word in the replace with as well, because we are here to replace the formatting. I'll just click on replace and you can see we have all done. We made 20 replacements. So just imagine the power of find and replace formatting functions, how much it can reduce your time. And even if you accidentally format it in some other way, you can easily replace the whole document with some other formatting. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.